Alright, welcome traders. Patrick with Trading123.net. Here we are trading on Friday, July 11th, 2025, and kind of a slow day in the market once again. And here are our trades today. We did 7 trades, a little bit of everything: gold, crude, NQ, ES. 7 trades, 2,100 bucks in profit. We're trading 2 contracts here. Gold, I think we're trading 1. So this is our first trade in NQ. Let the market open up. And is unable to hold the highs. Start the bot, catch a nice downtrend. And on 2 contracts, we hit our 608 profit for a great first trade. And then this is our gold trade here, where we 1 contract, 277 profit. Made a couple trades: short, short, little long, short, long, and 277 on that one. And then this is our third trade here in the NQ. Market did a little head fake here and trended down, and we got some profits there, and our stop got hit, and then it reversed. Didn't take this long because the trend was up. We had the trend filter on. Remember yesterday, don't shut the trend filter off. Let the bot do the work for you. So if I shut the filter off, it would have took this, but who knows if this would have continued up or down. And then it took this long because the trend was up, and we got 350 profit on that one. So one thing you want to do when you're learning to trade is you want to get yourself a decent monitor, and then maybe after a little bit of profits, buy a second monitor. That way you can see a lot more what's going on in the market, and maybe trade 2 things at once if you like, or have a second chart open for support and resistance. Once I was helping this millionaire set up the software, and he didn't live too far from me, and I was over at his house, and he's trading off a 13-inch monitor. And it's very hard to trade off a 13-inch monitor. I mean, this was about 6 years ago. And he says, well, I'm not going to buy any more monitors until I get profitable. And then he came over to my house and looked at my 432s, and he's like, whoa. So we headed over to Best Buy, bought 2 32-inch monitors, and he was off and flying. Yeah, that was like 6 years ago, and he's still trading with our software. So here's our ES trade. I think it's the only one we did today. And this one was a slow grind reversal. You knew the market wasn't going to go down forever. Started the bot, caught this reversal, and picked up 238. And then this is another trade in gold, just after 10, and it starts to trend up, and we ride the trend, 3 waves on 1 contract, and we get to 276 on it. And if you're on our software, look at the manual, and we're using the same settings that we use in the ES. And then here's our crude oil trade, just after 10. And here we're trading 2 contracts, as you see it plotted on the chart. First profit target, and then second one hit up here, and then pullback, reversal, boom, 492. We had somebody start with our software this week, and I think yesterday he made a little over 1,200 on 2 contracts, and today he quit at 1,000. And then another person pretty much going for $300 a day, and have nailed that. So with the software, you get the manuals and videos that explain everything, and the settings that we use, and put it to work right out of the gate. And here is another trade right here on NQ for just $190. A little short there just before noon. So that's a wrap for today on Friday's trades. Hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel here. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and all our social media accounts. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe. Visit our website for more information on our bots, and PayPal is our preferred payment provider. And we'll catch you in the next video. Have a nice weekend, and good luck with your trading.